Got a little something special in the mail today. Rexy! Ah! Signed by the How Ridiculous guys. Yeah, this is one of the Rexies they dropped. And I got a keychain too. It's a fun little dinosaur.
I bet. Lit Bam. Sketch. Time to play Where is the Road?
It's the end of this blizzard full day. This is my car compared to Griffin's car over there. The wind did that. All the wind just blew all the snow off of these cars and onto his. That's hilarious. There's a minivan under there somewhere. Parents did a bang up job of snow blowing this driveway, that's for sure. Oh, there are the puppies. As you saw, I hit a snowbank on my way back and it messed up the bumper a little bit. But this thing is like Legos, it just, pops back in place. I got my dad's new boots on. Gonna go through this mountain of snow and try to get up there where I'm gonna take a picture of one of our trees. It looks really cool. Oh boy. Not too bad. Got 20 inches. And yeah, there's the van somewhere in there. What's up? We're getting deep now. Sorry, Dad, for getting snow in your boots. It sort of got a path now. All right, now it's up to my knees. There's a bridge under here somewhere. Oh, I found it. And it drops off here. Woo. Whoa. Okay, this is mental, man. Absolutely mental. There it is. I'll take the picture from here. Tripod is almost entirely in the ground. This is the level, and that's where the tripod spreaders are. All right, I'm gonna do the classic trust fall into the snow. I'm not as bundled up as I've been before for these things, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Here we go. Ah, that's cold. All right, we're back, and my dad and I are gonna do a trust fall together, face first, which will be very different. I've got my camera with the new light on it, because he forgot his headlamp. We're gonna do it in the side yard, I guess. And he's got snowshoes on, so I won't get, this is my pair of boots. So hopefully I won't get snow in these too.
So filming?
Yes. Hello TikTok, I'm here with my dad and we're gonna do the New England Trust Fall Challenge. We're gonna fall face first. Do not try this at home unless you have 20 inches of snow or more. This better go viral. You ready?
You're going that way, I'm going this way.
No, we have to go that way.
We do?
Yep.
Okay.
Think we'll make it?
What?
You can go over this way some more.
Okay.
All right?
We're good.
3, 2, 1. Thanks, man. Oh my lord.
As long as I get access to that footage.
Yeah, life insurance claim. Hello, TikTok. I'm here with my dad, and we're gonna do the New England Trust Fall Challenge. We're gonna fall face first. Do not try this at home unless you have 20 inches of snow or more. This better go viral. 3, 2, 1. Thanks, guys. Look at this madness. We got people in the intersection stopped. We got people trying to turn left, and I'm trying to turn left, and I can't turn left because we got people in the intersections. It's a whole nother traffic light way down there, the other side of the bridge, and all backed up there. This is madness. I hope I never have to work this late ever again. Look at my wheels shake. I've got ice built up in my rims. It's making the whole wheel shake. Oh jeez, it's a bumpy ride. Well, here I am, job number 16 by the age of 23. Incredible. I am a shuttle driver. Look at that, old school door handle. Voila, shuttle driver at Gunstock. And this is one of the bigger boys. Where because of COVID, we're having all the employees park way down here. We're quite a ways from the resort, so I gotta shuttle them back and forth. We got tons of places to put skis and other stuff, snowboards and whatnot. Meanwhile, on the inside, this is my office. We've got a shower curtain for COVID purposes. I'm not gonna use it. That's pathetic. As long as it's back here, that's fine with me. It's very cold. My feet are already frozen. But every other seat they can sit in. And they're marked with that tape. You can only fit 8 people on this bus because of COVID restrictions. So sad. Much like trolley driving at Castle in the Clouds, I'm using my Australian accent for this one too. I already, one of the HR ladies, who is one of the few people I've met here so far, kind of threw her off a bit with it, but we'll see if it sticks. And because the Aussies turn their S's into Z's, I have my name spelt like that, Jezzy. Oh, my name is Jezzy. So yeah, it's a good gig. The crowds are slowly coming in. This is just staff. This is staff for the entire mountain.
Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime.
This shower curtain setup was done last night. You can see just welding random bits and pieces together, taking out the screws to the roof and putting in new ones. Doing it over there, and then they did some more welding and stuff over on this one.